Welcome to Kitek Technologies Private Limited. This is the demo of 89C51 microcontroller embedded trainer E87-01. This trainer board has inbuilt power supply of plus 5 volt, ground, plus 12 and minus 12, and the same is provided on board. The trainer has following on-board peripheral applications: 8 digital input switches to give digital input indicated by yellow color LEDs, 8 digital output indicated by red color LEDs, 16x2 LCD display, 4 digit 7 segment display, LM35 temperature sensor to give integer value of the temperature, 4 channel 8-bit ADC and 1 channel 8-bit DAC using PCF 8591, RS232 serial port for communication between PC and this trainer for downloading the code. Then other temperature sensor DS18B20 which gives floating point of the temperature. Then RTC and I2C ROM. It has 26 pin FRC connector for connecting external peripheral applications such as temperature controller, light controller, TLC, stepper motor, etc. The trainer has following switches: switch 1, which also has 8 number of switches, out of which switch 1, 2 and 3 are used for LCD, switch 4 for input switches, switch 5, 6 and 7 for 7 segment display, and switch 8 for LED output status. Then it has switch 2, keep switch 2 position as it is, that is switch 1 and 2 of switch 2 in off condition, and switch 3 and switch 4 always on condition. Then it has switch 3 to enable the DS18B20 temperature sensor. It also has variable register port for increasing or decreasing the intensity of LCD display. Now with this trainer we provide 2 number of CDs. One consists of the software needed for the programming and the other which contains the code for onboard applications. Now switch on this trainer. To establish the connection between PC and this trainer, connect a serial cable between PC and this trainer. Now copy the content of both the CDs in your drive and install FlashMagic software from the software section. After installing the software, an icon of FlashMagic will display on your desktop like this. Open this. Now select the device. It is from 80C51 family. The device is 89LV51RD2. Click on OK. Now select the COM port. Here it is COM1. Baud rate is 9600 and interface is none, that is ISP. Enable the erase block used by hex file. Now go in option, advanced option, hardware configuration, and check whether these two are disabled. If it's enabled, then disable it. Click on OK. Now to download any program of the onboard applications in this trainer, first keep this initial setting, switch 4 and switch 5 towards RxTX side, switch 3 in press condition and program LED glowing. Now browse the code from your PC. Now we will select the program of ADC DAC. Select the hex file of that. Open. Now press this reset key and keep it pressed. Click on start a new window will open. Reset the device into ISP mode. Now release this reset key. This window of reset will automatically go on. Programming the device. Wait for the device to program. Finished. The programming is finished. Now to check the output of the execution, keep switch S4 and S5 towards left hand side, switch 3 in unpressed condition. Here we have used ADC DAC program, so the display will be on LCD display. So for that, switch on switch 1, 2 and 3 from switch 1. Now keep the jumper JP5 and JP6 on 2-3 position for ADC and DAC. Now press this reset key to get the output on display. Four signal ended analog input. These are the 4 channels of the ADC: analog input 1, analog input 2, analog input 3, 4, then ground, then A out, it is for DAC output. Now to give the input to the first channel of ADC, connect 5 volt from this trainer to the channel 1. And 5 volt digital output will be 255, that is FF. Here you can give out input to the channel of ADC from 0 to 5 volt. You can also use external power supply in the range from 0 to 5 volt and give input to the channel of ADC and get the digital output on this LCD display. To check the DAC output, here in this program we have programmed the DAC to give ramp output, and to check that, connect CRO or DSO channel at A out and ground to ground and see the waveform, and in the same way we can perform experiments for other peripheral given on this trainer, and the code is given for that in that CD. Thus we have completed the demonstration of 8951 microcontroller embedded trainer E87-01. Thank you.